What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you a really cool Samsung Galaxy feature that will give you different notification animations depending on the type of notification that you're getting. So for example, if my wife sends me a message right now, I'm going to send her a message from her phone to my phone. When that notification comes through, you're going to see that I get these cool little hearts right here, and you can see that message came through, so I know this is coming from my wife. And when I get a text message from anybody else, it will give me a different notification animation. So you can see right there, I got a message from Tim, and I get these cool little snowflakes going down my phone. And you can even create specific animation styles for your Telegram or WhatsApp group. So you can see right there, I got a group from my Telegram, a message from my Telegram group, and I get this type of animation right here. And you can even create your own stickers and then use those stickers as the animation. And we're going to get to all of that. I'll show you how to set everything up. But first, I want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsored NordVPN. Now, you've probably already heard the term VPN many times, but if you're wondering what exactly it does, essentially a VPN offers enhanced online privacy, security, and protection by encrypting your data and masking your IP. Now, one of the great benefits of a VPN is being able to access media and content from other countries. So for example, I currently live in Canada and we have a pretty stripped down version of Netflix. But if I use a VPN, what I can do is connect to the US and it will show me the entire catalog of all of the shows available only to Netflix users within the US. And another great use of VPNs we can all relate to is using public Wi-Fi like a Starbucks or any other local shop, because these are unsecured networks and it's fairly easy for hackers to hijack your connection and access your data. But by using a VPN, it will encrypt your data, making it virtually impossible for hackers to access it. Now you can see I have NordVPN pulled up right here, and using it is incredibly easy. All you need to do is find a connection point. You can see they have lots of connection points all over the world. So let's go somewhere into America. If we zoom in, you can see all of the options available. We'll just tap on this one and you can see this is Dallas. All I got to do is just tap quick connect. It's going to take a second, and just like that, you can see we are now connected and protected. Now, one thing that I really like about NordVPN is they have a lot of the great features that I always look for in a reliable VPN, like multi-platform support, lots of servers with many connection points across many different countries, high speed and good performance, strong encryption methods, no data logging, and good customer support. Now, if you guys are interested, NordVPN has a promotion going on right now. If you sign up for their 2-year plan, they'll throw in 4 extra months for free, as well as a 30 days money back guarantee. So go ahead and check out the link in my description. All right, guys, so if you want to set up these notification animations for yourself, you're going to need to install the GoodLock application on your phone. Now, you can find it on your Galaxy store. So if you go to your Galaxy store and look for GoodLock, it should be there. If you don't see it, what you can do is go to the App Store and search for something called FindLock. It's pretty much the same thing. And once you have it installed, simply just open up GoodLock, and then we're going to go to this makeup section right there. We're going to scroll down to the bottom to where it says Edge Lighting. Now, if it's your first time using this module, it will ask you to install it. So just go through the quick installation process. But once you have it installed, all you're going to do is just enable it. If it's your first time using it, this will be off by default. Just tap on. And then we're going to go to this section that says Set Custom Style. And right here, you can see we have a few different animations to pick from. So we have these flower ones, we have these stars, the hearts right there, and we have these snowflakes. And if you tap on this plus icon, you have even more that you can select from here. Now, what you can also do is go to the color section and change the actual color of your notification up here. So we can set it to red, and you can see we're going to see red up there, or we can do blue or whatever other color you want. And then if we go to the advanced section, this is where we can actually change the effect of the animation. So right now it's set to the snowflake, but we can actually change it to rain. So those snowflakes look like it's raining. We can change it to clouds, so they're kind of big and moving through the screen. And of course, we have a few different options. So you can kind of just go through here and select which one you like the most and set it like that. Now, what's really cool is you can even add your own stickers as these animation effects. So if we go to the plus icon right here, we can go to our phone's gallery. We're going to select our gallery just once. And then down here, you can see I have a clipped image of my dog. So if I tap on this, now you can see whenever I get these notifications, it will actually show pictures of my dog just floating across my screen. And if you want to know how to set up your own clipped images like that, all you got to do is go to your phone's gallery, find the picture. So this is the original picture of my dog. And all you got to do is just tap and hold on it, and then your phone will identify it. And you can see I can extract it now. But if you let go, you can now save it as a sticker or save it as an image. So just go ahead and save it as a sticker. It will save it to your gallery. And then when you go to this plus icon and you go to your gallery, you will be able to find it and then add your own image in here as a sticker, and it will show that every time you get a notification. Now I'm going to show you how to take this a step further, because in the beginning I showed you that I get a different animation style depending on where the notification came from. So to do that, you're going to go to style by keyword, and you can see I have a few criteria here. So when I get a message from my wife, it'll send this little heart notification. Anytime I get a message from my WhatsApp group from here, I'll get these popcorn icons. And anytime I get a message from my Telegram family group, I'll get the twinkling stars. And to set this up for yourself, all you got to do is go up here to where it says keyword and just type in the name of your contact or the name of your Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever other group that you have. But make sure that you get it exactly the way it shows up on your phone. So every capital letter, every space, and even these emojis have to match exactly the way it is on your group or in your contact list in order for this to apply. So make sure you copy it exactly as it looks, and then you can get these effects by just tapping onto them, and you can of course customize them just like I showed you. So you can go back in here, change whichever one you like from these effects. You can change the color and of course change the effects, and then once you're done, tap done, and it will apply that effect to whichever group or contact, so that next time you get a message from that group or contact, it will show that animation that you selected right here. Now there's one more thing in here that I want to show you. You can actually go back into your Edge Lighting Plus, and then right here it says show app icon instead of custom style image. So if you enable it, now it will just show you the icon of the application where the message or notification came from. So if somebody messages you from WhatsApp, it will just show icons of WhatsApp. Same for Telegram or any other messaging service. So if I just go back to my home screen, I'm going to send myself another message from WhatsApp. You're going to see that it's just going to show us these WhatsApp little icons floating on our screen. And then of course for Telegram, you're going to see the exact same thing right there. I actually like this a little bit more because it kind of tells you right away and you can identify where the message is coming from. But you can just go through here, go to the Edge Lighting Plus module in here and set everything up to your own liking. But that's pretty much going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for future videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.